Day 2. Starting our day at Universal. Just too cold.
Yeah, we woke up at Universal.
Time Panda Express. So this little guy. He's shy right now, bros. I don't know why.
Because, you know why? His ass put me when I had a piece of shrimp sticking out of my mouth, though.
If that was me, I would just said he's 2. You know? nobody really knows. Span?
Yeah. Hey, I cannot wait for even 30 minutes without getting bored as hell.
Cafe. Look. That looks busy. There's a loop.
That's fun.
Can you say about that?
I'm big for this.
Show me how big it is.
Oh,
Nice.
so good.
No, Didi, show me. Dang, bro. So much sugar. Don't finish that in one go.
So big. I don't think it's real.
Orion. That's why I do my research.
It's in a big ass book.
Means headlines, national coverage. So don't screw this up.
What if people?
Dangerous night of my life and yours. Be careful. Like shades. That's fire. You mean that ass? Yes, of course. Hey, what's going on? What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it. So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
That's why.
Things are starting to... Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend. You're taking a dive. your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Photo with them? No?
So hot. God.
Bro, he's still eating that. Look at his lips, guys.
Shut up.
Alright.
You just said yacht to that
Yeah,
girl.
we're entering the big castle right there.
I just spotted.
Orion, don't be offensive. Look. She's classroom.
The Warlocks Convention of 1709 as the dragons just
It's moving.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said look up.
judging from their most recent efforts.
Certainly in that case.
Warn you, if you stay here much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about
Fine young Hogwarts student by the name of Hermione Granger.
Excited?
Finally, this thing is not no 25 minutes, but that's not way long. It's worth the wait. I think so.
Sure. You're gonna get sprayed on.
I'll give you a joke. What do you call ghost poop?
Stand there, stand there.
Farewell, James.
Oh, I'm scared, bro.
No, I'm Fujin Taro. You can call me Jesus.
No, I didn't call you Jesus, James. That was my dad.
That's your dad?
Yeah.
Hello, Father.
Hi. How you doing?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
I love the haircut.
Thank you.
If I ever get out of this fountain, I'm going to grow my hair like that. Shave the sides, have a little fun in the back.
Squirt him.
Squirt him?
Yes,
Why would I do that?
because
Because what?
Squirt
Is there
him instead.
problems in the home?
he wants water in his hair.
He wants water. Do you want some water? All right, water for everyone. Sorry, too many people are watching. I got nervous.
You're sweating.
You said I'm sweaty?
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs water.
You could say I'm sweaty. Okay, let's try this again.
Yo.
Yo!
Okay.
Yo!
That worked? Alright, say bye,
Did
Ryan.
you just cough? Don't touch me. Are you contagious?
Yes, he is.
Oh no, I think I caught it. I think I have water in the lungs. Call me Jesus.
Jesus.
Say bye. Bye. Thank you.
Goodbye. Oh, I didn't catch your name. What was your name?
Orion.
Bro, I'm Orion. He's Kevin.
Kevin and Orion. All right, farewell, Kevin and Orion.
Bye. Well, they look like it.
See, I'm gonna demonstrate.
Face paint.
I'm gonna be like this. Dang, I've done that so many times today, bro.
Really? Why not? Look how big this hat is. You know, cat in the hat.
You busted the soles up so much.
No, it's meant to be like that.
No, it's not. Hold on, you know the game.